Hello everyone, myself Satak Bhattacharya, and today let's continue with our DSA series. This is valid Sudoku or not, I have to find it. So determine if a 9 plus 9 Sudoku board is valid. Only the field cells need to validate according to the following rules. Okay, so the field cells will need to be validated according to the following rules. So there are three cases, right? That each row must contain the digit 1 to 9 without repetitions, right? Each column must contain the digit 1 to 9 without repetitions, and each of the 9 3 cross 3 sub boxes of the grid must contain the digit 1 to 9 without repetition, right? So basically, the row and column for the contain will contain 1 to 9 without repetition, and also the 3 cross 3 sub boxes will also take 1 to 9 without repetition. So So the partially filled Sudoku board may be valid, but it is not necessarily solved, right? So you can see that the input may look like this somehow. As you can see that 5, then 3, then it is a dot. Dot means it is a vacant or incomplete. Then again there is a comma means it is the sub box ends here, and then the next sub box opens from here. So basically it's going for a row basket, right? First row, then second row, then third row, like this. So for that reason, what I will take a boolean, boolean containing an R of 9 cross 9, right? Boolean of taking a variable R of 9 cross 9, 9 cross. Now, what I will do, I will just go for a flag of false. Now I will do the same for three elements more. So let's make it. Let's now this book will contain element. Yes, I'm taking RCB for Pulse Music Bank. Now, as you can see that uh, I will go for a for loop. Basically, I will go for two for loop, one for row and one for column. Everybody knows that I have to take this for row column concept. I have to take two for loops. Okay, so taking for loop, right? Inside of that again another for loop, right? So what will be the first for loop? It will be int I equals to 0 from 0 to it will be up to basically up till 8, basically less than 9, right? I I so I will take the same for j. In j equals to now j then 9 and that's right. Now what I will do is come here for basically a condition. If you can see that it is already declared a variable known as board. So board of I of j contains nothing, basically that dot, right, or that full stop. So board of I of j is equal to word point, right? So then let's go for continue. Continue, right? Then I will take int k equals to. Now this is the most important part according to me. I will take k equals to Now I'll just put, as you can see, there can be a formula out of it, right? What is the Sudoku formula for it? For now, I can say that I will be divided by P into P. Then I will add J of P, and then I will print N equals for A, B, over R, over I of -1, I of 1. So now after this, what I will do, I will just go for a if condition, and within if, go for, remember that R, which I have taken the Boolean type, I will just check that whether R of I of N, R of I of N is or C of K of N, or P of K of P of K of N, basically, right? P of K of N, all three, any of these three, then fall, right? If not, then I will do R of I of N. Basically, this whole thing, right? Just just copy it from Control C, and then I will do Control V. I will have to just switch their flag from false to true, right? False to true. One will be true, then the second one will also be true. Then one will be true, then the will also be true. When the three test cases are true, then I will return true, right? Let's check it once. What code I coded? I don't know. Yes, you can see that all the test cases are being passed, and let's just submit it once and check. Yes, it is 100% the runtime accuracy is 100% acceptance rate, with 500 out of 500 test cases have been passed. So yeah, if you like the concept behind my question, so please do like, share, subscribe, and share. And thank you for watching.